Hello everybody, it is your girl Andrea, the global voice, motivational speaker certified under the legendary Dr. Les Brown, and your personal accountability coach. As we are approaching twilight, there is amazing nature around, so if you see me looking side to side, just be mindful of that. Over there is a huge, beautiful deer. I don't know if I can catch a picture of him or her. I didn't see if they had the nubs on their head to be a male, but it's literally, over there. But anyways, without any further ado, I thank you for joining me today, this evening, morning or afternoon, wherever you are. Do you have too much junk in the trunk that you want to get ready and take control and take action and get in the driver's seat of your own life? Well, think about it. A few key tips to take control over your life, to remove the junk from your life, the clutter, the nonsense, the drama, the toxicity, is perspective. What you need to do is you need to figure out and find out what makes you happy and what doesn't, what gets you motivated and what drains you. When you start looking at your life, whether it's individuals, events, incidences, tasks at hand, goals and dreams that you want to work towards, you'll be able to understand what is junk in the trunk and what needs to be removed so you can take control and be in the driver's seat. Deer's over there. But she's coming towards me. So here, I'm going to show you real quick. Okay, see it? Okay, ready? See? There. You can see right here on my pumpkin. Sorry about that, but the deer literally was coming towards me, and I tried to kind of alert my family to come out and kind of see it because it was graciously beautiful. So, getting back on track. Getting rid of the junk in your trunk and getting ready to clean up, take control, and take the lead in the driver's seat. So many times, more often than none, pardon me, the mosquitoes are out, but I want to get this video in. So many times more than none, we have so much stuff we want to hold on to. Memories, emotions, materialistic items, clothing, and we just pile up. And some of these items are not junk, others are. But if you think about it, what is the emotional connection of what you are taking in? And then here's a reason and a method that I'd like to use. Is it treasure, trash, or a tool? Because when you start narrowing down what is in your space, your living space, your community, your life, you are able to then understand that if it's functional, it's a tool. If it's memorable, then it's a treasure. But if it doesn't have any value or purpose, then truth be told, it's trash. So get rid of the junk in your trunk. Make sure you're not part of the junk and get your mind accelerating and thriving and obtaining more items that you can find beneficial, more items that can help you in life, more items that you can feel that you are really going to use and be productive. And what I feel that if it's a memorable item of photographs or trinkets from a momentous occasion, then what I do is I put it all in one space and have it displayed nicely so I can present it to people. Not just in a whole bag, not shoved in a drawer, not shoved in your trunk. Same thing with family and friends. You know, you want people around you that are empowering, that are enlightened and happy and excited for your success. And if they're not, now I'm not saying they're trash. I'm just saying then limit your time with them. If you haven't addressed with them and they haven't understood your purpose and they still continue to brew brown, push them aside. You don't need them at that current moment. Finally, the treasures in life. Make sure you hone into them. Make sure you're mindful and happy of them, that you're celebrating them and the memories that you have, and display them neatly so we can remind you where you've been, where you're going, and where you are today. So once again, this video is brief as the sun is setting and the bugs are biting. So if you've got junk in your trunk, I want you to take a moment and remove it and be in the driver's seat and take control and get ready to thrive. Want to learn more? Connect with me, Andrea Mason, your personal accountability coach, having over 2 decades plus in personal professional development in the industries of social work and psychology, bridging the gap from where you are to where you deserve to be. I thank you for listening. I thank you for watching. You could be anywhere in this moment, and you've chosen to be with me. I look forward to connecting with you, and I'm grateful for you to be here. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. I gotta get out before the wild ones come out at night. Thank you. Be well. Take care. Have a great day.